Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add emergency contacts to medical ID on iPhone. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to the Health app, click on it, and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that go to Medical ID, and after that scroll down until you find an option called Emergency Contacts. Click on it and click on Add. After that here click on Add Emergency Contact. It will show you like the list of the people that you have. I will add my number. So here you will have your like relationship with that person. I will put friend, and after that you can add another emergency contact if you want, and I will click OK, and like that I have my emergency contact added. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.